Welcome to my Blogger Website Builder review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. In this video, we'll break down what the Blogger Website Builder offers, who it's designed for, and whether it's a solid choice for your next website project. Blogger is a free website builder that's primarily aimed at beginners and casual users who want to create blogs or simple websites. It's a Google-owned platform, meaning it's well integrated with other Google services, but that also means its features are tailored to basic, content-driven sites. Let's dive into the features. Blogger offers an easy-to-use interface with a drag-and-drop editor, a range of free templates, and the ability to customize with HTML and CSS for those with technical knowledge. You can add custom domains, integrate Google Analytics, and easily manage multiple blogs from one account. The platform also provides built-in SEO tools like customizable meta tags and descriptions, which is great for ranking your site on search engines. Since it's cloud-based, you don't need to worry about hosting or backups, making it hassle-free. Now, let's talk strengths. First, it's completely free, which makes it a no-brainer for anyone looking to start a blog or website on a budget. It's reliable, with Google's infrastructure supporting it, meaning your site is fast and stable. Plus, it's simple to use, ideal for those with little to no technical experience. If you need something quick, Blogger delivers. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. While the customization options are decent, they're limited compared to platforms like WordPress or Squarespace. Blogger isn't ideal for complex websites or businesses looking for advanced features. It lacks e-commerce options, so it's not a great choice if you plan to run an online store. The templates, while clean, feel outdated and not as modern or flexible as those offered by competitors. Also, customer support is minimal, relying mostly on forums, which can be frustrating for those needing help. In conclusion, if you're looking for a simple, free platform to start a blog or personal website, Blogger is a solid option. However, if you want a more feature-rich platform with greater customization or e-commerce support, you might want to explore other options. Make sure to weigh these strengths and weaknesses based on your project needs before committing.